Hello everyone. So my name is Will here at Atomic Game Dev, YouTube channel that I am just starting now. So for my first video, what I wanted to do is just a quick introduction, talk a little bit about what I want to do with this channel and some of the plans I have for the immediate future. And then lastly, I'd like to showcase a project I've been working on for a couple of months now. The project's called Driftwood Harbor. It is the game that I'm currently showing on my screen. So yeah, a little bit about me. I just finished a computer science major. I'm still in school. I have one semester left, but I've completed the major, and I've been doing a lot of game development with Unity. I also do a lot of web development using React, some backend development with Node.js, Java, and C Sharp as well. So I'm hoping to use this channel to do some game development, some game modding will be kind of the main focus. I might do a little web development, some React, JavaScript, and all that. Really just see how things go. The primary focus for right now will be Unity. One thing I'm hoping to do in the future is there's a game coming out called Hytale, which I'm extremely excited about. It is from the people who did Hypixel, which was an extremely popular Minecraft server, has about 20,000 members on it at any given time. I'll link the trailer to the game in this video because I think the game is awesome, and I was hoping to make some tutorials and do some live coding and development for it once the game comes out. So yeah, let me first talk about my game here, and we'll start with the UI. So up in the top left corner, you see there's obviously a pause button, and then just some tabs over there which show some statistics and some items, and those are items that are important for quests, but don't really mean anything for the players. So you can't equip them, you can't really move them around your inventory. Really just need to know how many you have at any given time. So here we have quest information, which is shown through the book there. Just shows all the quests you have for the current zone you're in. So the beach is zone 1. You have 3 quests, as you can see there. And once you complete all of them, you unlock the final quest, which will, once completed, will take you to the next zone. The next zone is a jungle. It's still in development. I'd love to show it off once that's complete. So here is your extended inventory, which has just a couple extra items. And then here is your hotbar. You obviously have your health here and your energy here. So health, you obviously lose from battle when you get hit. Energy, you lose when you attack. You might not lose it when you don't hit an enemy, though. I might have set that up to safeguard. Yeah. Cool. So first thing I want to talk about in terms of the game mechanics are the items themselves. So if you look at the sword here, you can see the damage I set automatically. I wanted there to be kind of a beginner sword when you start the game to be 10 damage. But the effect, the knockback, is actually totally randomized. So could have been no effects. There's a few more effects as well that could have gotten, but it got knockback, which means it would hit the enemy back a little further upon fighting it. There's plenty more effects, and I'm really excited about that. But it's cool because it makes each weapon unique, which is something I've liked in games and something I wanted to develop. So armor has similar things there. This one has an attack, so it actually increases your attack when you equip it. Has 18 additional health points for you. This one's attack 2, 11 health points. And this has disguise, which when you wear it, enemies will notice you or will not notice you from as far of a distance. So it sort of lowers the radius that enemies have to lock onto you and attack. There's a lot more mechanics that I could go over. You can see there's some friendly enemies, the crab moving around there. And so kind of back on that randomization, I have these chests spawning randomly throughout the map. You can open the chest. This is a devil fruit, which is completely stolen from the show One Piece. I need to change that name. Devil fruits give you sort of special abilities. So this one's invisibility for 30 seconds, which means that enemies will not see you. I'm not going to use that right now because I want to quickly showcase fighting. And there's a lot I could show, a lot I have in development right now. The game right now is mostly a collection of mechanics and features, more so than a put together game. There's not a lot of story, but really just wanted to use this to kind of learn Unity a little better and play around with some ideas. So you can see the enemy is killed there, and then when an enemy dies, they drop a pouch. The pouch disappeared because it was empty, but usually there'll be items in there that you can gain and loot from it. So yeah, I mean, that's sort of the basics. I'm currently working on implementing mining, fishing, cutting down logs and trees. You can see log over here. I'm going to be working on those. After that, I hope to kind of integrate the story a little more. Right now, there's a couple quests, but it's all sort of loosely connected, awkward and all that. So yeah, I'd love to keep sharing more information about this project with you as I keep moving forward. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below and let me know, or any artwork of 2D art that you think could fit well into this game. I would love that. I'm mostly using assets found online for free. I've purchased a couple that I thought were really cool. But yeah, so expect some tutorials soon. I think I'd be starting with some C# and Unity. And if you're interested in following along with either this project or some future tutorials, please subscribe. Thank you very much.